Hey everyone, it's Emma and I'm back with another video all about Christmas gift ideas. Hence why I'm wearing this, and also I'm gonna take these off because my dog chewed on these and it just looks bad. A lot of the times you just blank out and you're like, I don't know what to get this person, or especially if you're like a guy. Oh, also, sorry, before we get into the video, actually, I feel like I need to do a disclaimer just in case, you know, I never know who's gonna be watching this. But Christmas is all about giving, and some of this stuff is stuff that I would have on my Christmas list, but not by any means do I think I'm gonna get all of these or even any of these. I'm already extremely grateful for everything I have. Like, truly, like, I'm not just saying that to be like, I'm so grateful for everything I have. Like, I don't need any, like, material items. And if I do, I just buy it myself. So it's just a fun time of the year to, like, give back to people who do so much for you, like my family and my friends. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so like on my Christmas wish list, I really want a Canon G7X II. It's like a vlogging camera for YouTube because right now I'm filming on my mom's camera, which I have been for my whole channel. It doesn't have like a flip screen viewfinder. I just can't see if it's ever in focus or like how I want the setup to look like. It's so annoying. Like, it's just hard to make my videos look good when I can't see what they look like until I start editing them. So honestly, that's like my #1 thing I want, and it's kind of expensive. It's like $600, but like that's something I would use like all the time because I have a YouTube channel. The next one is, again, the ones that I'm kind of saying right now are kind of expensive, but an Apple Watch or a Fitbit, because I'm really into exercising and just all that kind of stuff. I think that'd be cool, and then you can like get notifications on like your Apple Watch if you like get like a family emergency text or something and you can't be on your phone like on the job. That's another thing I would be interested in. And then #3, again, this is for more people that are into exercising. Anything Lululemon, Athleta. I'm wearing Lululemon leggings right now. You could get like sports bras or something like Adidas, Nike, workout shoes too. And another item would be anything from Victoria's Secret. My sister just started laundry and it was gonna be an annoying noise throughout the video, so I had to pause it. So, okay, going on, I said Victoria's Secret, basically anything Victoria's Secret, like bras, underwear, loungewear, pajamas. They just have really cute stuff, so I would definitely want that. And then also coffee, like gift cards or coffee mugs. Literally anything like Starbucks, Dunkin', things like Yetis or hydro flasks. Flasks. That just sounds really weird to say. They keep your drinks cooler for longer, so it's good for like coffee or literally just water. Yeah, I've had one for like, I don't even remember when I got it, like a couple years. I still use it every single day. So yeah, those are definitely like really good. Anything like fluffy, cozy, those are super in. Like Sherpas or like fuzzy little like hoodies, because like going to like classes or college or just lounging around in, especially when it's freezing outside in the winter, that is a really good thing to get. Velvet is really in, fluffy, cozy, Sherpas. Yeah. Girls love candles, like Christmas scented candles, like Yankee Candle, Bath and Body Works, anything like that. I love candles. Lighting candles when you're doing your homework, before you go to bed, just relaxing. It's nice. I feel like this one is really obvious for makeup lovers, but makeup. Gift cards if you have no clue what shade she is, like in foundation or powder or concealer. You don't have to get those. You can be basic and do a gift card, or you can do an eyeshadow palette. Anastasia Soft Glam palette would be really cool. I'm buying this for myself and I'm gonna do a review on this channel later, so stay tuned for that. But Kylie Jenner's holiday collection, which I am so stoked about. Anyways, back to the video. I saw at Dillard's these UGG fluffy like slippers, and on the back they say UGG and they're just fluffy and they look really cute. I'll insert a picture here because some people probably have no idea what I'm talking about. And of course, my favorite color is baby pink, so I would want the baby pink. Skincare is super into. Glam Glow is really in. Just like facial masks. Epsom salt is something I just got too if, again, you work out or whatever, those are good to take a bath in because it relaxes your muscles. So bath bombs, Lush, skincare. Another thing is Invisibubble hairbands. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, oh, I have it over there, but I don't want the camera to get on focus, but I'll just insert a picture. But they're like, they don't create creasing on your hair because you know with the ponytails, if you have them in for a while, they'll have a little indent when you take your hair out. These ones don't, and then they make your hair like a little bit more voluptuous, so that's something I love. MAC lipsticks, you can't go wrong with those. A nude color, a red color for Christmas. Oh yeah, I should have said this first, but it's more sentimental if you make something like for someone, like a scrapbooking thing or picture collages or like tickets to like a concert or a movie that you guys go to together, so it's special. Pandora, a ring or like a necklace with their initials on it. Phone cases, that's another thing, like one of those Lumi cases or just a cute phone case. Essential oils, if they're into like smelling stuff to like help with headaches and stress, that would be really cool to get someone. Blankets would be cute too, and then more special would be like tie blankets that you make the other person, like at Joann Fabrics. Planner for 2019, since it's coming up obviously Christmas, so like a planner for someone that likes to stay organized, and also like school stuff if they like school stuff, like colored pens, highlighters, or a Lily Pulitzer or Vera Bradley notebook. I know I like love writing in cute notebooks. Okay, this one is like really extra, but you could surprise make her like a vanity. I need mine, like I can link the video down below. My dad helped me put one together, and honestly it really wasn't expensive. Getting the lights at Home Depot was cheap, and then just getting like a mirror. But it can mean a lot to the person if they love makeup, and I think that'd be so cute if someone would do that for someone. Another thing is hair extensions. So girls love hair extensions. I know they're really expensive, I think. If you're a person who's been talking about wanting longer hair, get them extensions. Also, stuff for like dorms if they're in college, if they live in a dorm, like fairy lights or like disco ball lights. Those always make a room like more cozy. Another thing is ring light. I got mine on Amazon, but I use it for my YouTube videos, and it really like makes you like your face just look brighter for pictures. So if they're really into that. Cute hats, like have little pom-poms on them, or like knit hats. It could be of their like favorite sports team, or the Love Your Melon hat. Another thing is sunglasses. Another thing is gloves, and preferably I would feel like gloves where you can like go on your phone still. And also going along with like your sports team, your person's favorite sports teams, get them like hoodies or shirts. And yeah, that was I think my last one, was it? Yeah, so that was my last one. I really hope you guys got some good ideas from watching this video and got in the spirit for Christmas and giving. That was so cheesy. I'm so sorry. I am a cheesy person though, so it's fine. If you guys think I missed something that you would really want, sound them off in the comments down below. Sound them off. And also comment down below any video ideas or Christmas video ideas that you'd want to see from me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so I can keep on making videos for you guys. Alright, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Merry Christmas, here I am, boy.